Felix Lebrun. Alexis Lebrun is now the world #1 of men's double. Now, they are ranked as #1 in the world.
Now the finals champions, and with that, you're also the #1 pair in the world from next week. How do you feel?
Yeah, thank you. It's amazing for me to win this title and also to be #1 in the world in double with my brother Felix. So yeah, I'm so happy of this performance, and yeah, I live a very big emotion now with Felix. So yeah, I'm just so happy.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.